Hello and welcome back to another episode of How to Model Your Home in 3D. And from the previous lesson, we have modeled the entire perimeter of the house, and now we're just going to add some height in the walls. So really quickly, we're just going to press tab to go into edit mode, and we're going to press A to select everything. But before that, I just want to make sure that you guys have this thing turned on here on the right hand side, this little properties bar. And you can do this by pressing the N key. So I'm just going to go quickly to show my keys to you. And as you can see, when I press N, it goes up here. And you just want to make sure that the item tab is selected. So you can see this transform thing, which has nothing selected stated right now. But we're going to use this really quickly in a bit. So with tab enabled and you are in edit mode, I'm going to select all the vertices by pressing A, and we're going to press E to extrude. And once I press E, you can see this blue line that appears on the screen left hand side. And as I move my mouse, I can actually just move my cursor without trying to snap anything, and it will just snap to the Z axis, which is controlling our height. And as you can see over here in my transform tab, there's actually a number that keeps running up and down, which shows you the height of the walls. So I'm just gonna let go by pressing the left mouse button once, and I'm just gonna go in here and type 2.6 meters. So it's 2.6 m, and I'm gonna press enter, and this is how you model the height of your walls. So a standard HDB flat in Singapore has a height from the floor to the ceiling of about 2.6 meters. So right now I'm just going to quickly save this as a version 2, and the next one will be version 3 and so on. So do catch me in the next video where I show you how to model the windows and probably cut holes in the walls. See ya!